Hi my hiking friends! Today I am going to share with you my 3 luxury or comfort backpacking items that I carry when I go out hiking. So the last few weeks there has been this tag or challenge going around in the backpacking and hiking community in YouTube where people are sharing their luxury items, and it was started by a YouTuber called Dan Becker. So thank you Dan for starting this challenge, but I wasn't tagged in any of these videos, but the topic is so interesting and fascinating that I am waiting for no one to tag me. I am doing this video just because I want to. So these are my things that I carry with me. Let's get started. The first item is as luxury as it can be because it is not related to hiking in any way, and it is my watercoloring kit. I have my notebook here, I have my watercolors here, also some black pens and water brushes, and it is quite heavy considering that at some trips I am too tired to paint. I have had trips when I painted only one picture, but at the same time I have had trips where I paint like 7 or 8 pictures, and I decided that this is my entertainment system that I carry with me. I don't read books on my phone, I don't carry books or anything. This is my thing that I do when I have time, and how I remember my trips, my landscapes and my feelings. Yeah. My watercoloring kit, for sure, it's a total luxury item. My item number 2 is my sleeping booties. So I'm an extremely cold sleeper and my toes always get cold even on summertime. So to sleep comfortably I have to wear something really warm on my feet. Warm socks don't do it for me. I have to have something extra, and these are more lightweight than for example woolen socks. So when I ordered my enlightened equipment guild, I thought if I'm splurging I might as well splurge a little bit more, and I ordered these from Enlightened Equipment as well, and I am not disappointed that I did. So yes, team warm toes all the way. And my last item for today is my pillow. It's an Exped Aero Pillow ultralight in the size M. I will put all the links for my stuffs. I will put all the links down in the description box below so you can check them out if you want to. Anyway, I'm a side sleeper and I need some proper support on my head and neck when I sleep, and you can use clothes or a stuff sack or just some jacket or your puffy jacket under your head, but this just doesn't do it for me. My neck gets cranked up, and it hurts when I wake up in the morning, and it gives tension in my shoulders, so this is not something I enjoy, and this pillow has helped me a lot, so I will continue using it, although you don't have to, but I am choosing to use it. I have attached a rubber string to it to wrap it around my sleeping mat so it doesn't slip away, although it still slips away a bit. This is the only annoying thing about it, otherwise it's quite lightweight and nice to use. When I went through my gear to find what comfort and luxury items I am carrying on the trail, I did find some more, but I will not talk about them now. I will leave them in the description box below so you can read them if you wish. I will not tag anybody to do this challenge. Instead, I went through as many of these tag and challenge videos as I could. And can you believe it? I found 69 videos on this topic done because of this tag or challenge. And I put them all in a playlist that I will also put in the description box below. So go check them out. There were some really interesting people talking about some really interesting gear choices. And also, it's really awesome to find new channels to follow. I did find some quite many smaller channels to follow, and I hope they will continue making videos. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you my Patreons who are supporting me on my Patreon page. If you wish to support me, then the link is below. And yeah, thank you for watching. Go for a hike because life is so much better in hiking shoes, and I will see you really soon. Okay, bye!